All right, seventh graders, put together a quick video for you so you know what to do today. Try one. Make sure you do today's daily discussion question, which will be number 14. Follow it up with the subfolder. You can read the plan, it's right here. So first, make sure you go into grades on the left-hand side in this class. Make sure there are no zeros in there. Anything that has a zero should be done. Okay? And make sure that all of your safety stuff has a high enough score. Sometimes we didn't get the high enough score to get the green check in the safety folder. So go through and make sure you have 100% on your tests and only got 2 wrong on your worksheets. Otherwise, you have to redo it. After that, make sure your solo bridge project is turned in. You can open it up in Tinkercad. And when you're in Tinkercad, your designs, the easiest way to turn it in is just to open it up, take a picture of it with your iPad. Get a good picture of it with your iPad. And once you have a picture of it with your iPad, you can go into the course and just post that picture under Bridge Project to the solo bridge drawing. Next, make sure your team bridge drawing is in. Both partners need to turn it in. So get it pulled up. You can take a picture with your iPad again and make sure you have a picture of not only the bridge, but also the filled out budget. Okay. Once you have got all of those things turned in, what you're going to do is you're going to go, like it says in the README here, once you got all the zeros completed, you can pick one of the Tinkercad videos below. No matter how far you get on it today, I want you to turn it in right here. So you can either make a jet, a house, or a boat. Grab a set of headphones from the bucket up front so you can listen to it. And once you get done, you're going to take a picture with your iPad, or you can use the snipping tool on the computer, and you're going to post it in to the discussion that I've created here. So I need to see your progress for the day. So no one should be on games today. Mrs. Cooper's going to be here helping you guys out and watching that for me. All right? Have fun and enjoy the day.